Before I show y'all how I apply my aligners, the bottom row is what my teeth are looking like now and what they'll be looking like in this video. I've been wearing them for 3 weeks and I just want to show you guys what I've been doing.
You can't even sit in peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, the one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time, you need to waste your time with me. You could have all the space, all that you need. There's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me. And I ain't worried about them. Girl, you all that I see. And I am who I am. And I be what I be. If you ever hit me on the late night, I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. You can have all the space, all that you need. There's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me. Don't close your eyes to get away.
Okay, so now that I have my aligners in and I'm also lining my teeth. You listen. I have a lisp. So now that I'm lining my teeth with my aligners, Bright BYTE, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Hyper Byte. I'm gonna use my Hyper Byte. This really helps get my aligners in there really snug. And it's supposed to help shift your teeth faster. This is the key, is the secret to why Byte is one of the fastest, if not the fastest, aligner system out there. I'm just gonna place it on my teeth, gently bite down, and I'm gonna press this button right here.
There is only one stability.
Hyper Byte should be used daily and will automatically stop vibrating when 5 minutes is up. So this is day, I don't know, of my chemical peel. I have my aligners. And, yeah. First of all, if y'all was beefing at their wedding, you should have been beefing at their wedding. Why would you bring that to somebody else's club? That's sad. I'm getting a little tired of your broken promises. Looking at your pages, seeing different numbers and numbers. Call you wanna say you're hanging with the fellas. Hanging at my cousin, you always getting jealous. I was with you when you didn't have no dollars. Hanging at the crib, chilling with